Hello there and welcome back to another video from Martin's Circus Skills Workshops. Thank you for tuning in. I guess that you're here because you want to get started with scarf juggling. And this is the last in the series of 3, taking a really in-depth look how to get juggling with 3 scarves, aimed especially at younger children. So in the first 2 videos we looked at how to hold a single scarf, some activities with a single scarf, and 1 or 2 ideas for changing that up. In the second video we looked at 2 scarves, and we looked at the exchange. And today, if you've made it here, fantastic. You are going to take your first steps in being able to juggle 3 scarves. Now with a little bit of practice, you'll be able to do this. It is not difficult. If you can do a really super smooth exchange, you'll be able to do 3 scarves, I promise you. So let's get on with 3 scarves. Now before we do anything with 3 scarves, we need to be able to hold 2 scarves in one hand, your dominant hand, the hand that you write with, okay? And in this case it's my right hand, this hand that I'm just waving at you now. So to hold 2 scarves in one hand, do it like this. This is how you hold it. The first scarf that I'm going to throw is the green scarf, and I clip that with my thumb and my first 2 fingers. The last scarf, the third scarf that I'm going to throw, I clip it with my little finger and this finger here. So this is what it looks like from the back. This is what it looks like from the front. And the reason we do this is if you just put the scarves together in your hand, you're going to have a really difficult time throwing those scarves separately. So that's why you need to hold 2 scarves in your dominant hand just like this. So now for 3 scarves, and what I would do for 3 scarves is we're not going to try and do 3 throws, 3 catches straight away. What I would do is I would do 3 throws and don't do any catches. Now you would expect the green and the pink scarf to land on your left hand side. Yep, that's right, just the side that I'm just sort of shaking those 2 scarves, just wafting them about, and the blue scarf will land on my right hand side. And you just to do that, why you do that is because it allows you and your brain just to get used to the rhythm, the timing of the throws, and you don't have to think about, oh, throwing now, I've got to catch them in what order. So it's just sort of easing you in to the 3 scarves, and this is what it would look like. 1, 2 and 3. And you will see when you pick up the scarves that the scarves are crossed. You've got your pink and your green one on the left hand side, and you've got your blue one on the right hand side. The next step is to try and catch the first scarf that you throw. So in this case it's going to be my pink scarf, the blue's going to be the second throw, the green's going to be the third. And this is what it would look like. 1, 2, catch, and just let the other 2 scarves hit the floor. So there you're doing 3 throws and 1 catch. And now what you're going to do is you're going to do 3 throws and 2 catches. So I'm going to throw my pink scarf first, my green scarf second, my blue scarf last. But I'm going to catch the pink scarf and I'm going to catch the green scarf. This is what it looks like. And you notice how the blue scarf sort of floated off to my left. That's what you'd expect. Got the green scarf in my right hand, the pink scarf in my left hand. And now what we're going to do is all 3 catches and throws. And this is what it looks like. 1, 2, 3, catch, catch, catch. Do that again for you, but this time in slow motion. So there you have it. You are unofficially now a juggling whiz and wizard, and probably lots of other things as well. And if you've come this far, thank you for watching all 3 videos. I hope you found them useful or a use for them. But that is how you juggle 3 scarves. That's all there is to it. And with a little bit of practice, you will be able to do this, or you'll be able to get your son and your daughter to juggle with 3 scarves, and they can use that as a foundation to go on to juggling bean bags, balls, different tricks with 3 objects. It's there. So thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in. Until next time, this is goodbye from Martin's Circus Skills Workshops. Bye bye.